free throw. Rebound by Senior number 24. Pass number 33. Pass number 40. Pass number 2. The counted winner is 18.
Gets the three, no good.
Single. Substitution bersama ini nomor 34 nomor ini. Number 2. Pass number 30 of Senior School number 2. It's a foul. Foul forward. Number 19. 2 free throws awarded to number 23 of Senior School. First attempt.
Pasensya na pa tayo, nakaputol tayo ng ating live. Pero i-repost na lang po natin.
Last throw. Jumpers ready.
Time remaining 1 minute and 59 seconds sa ating third quarter. Let's go.
Last throw. And then, number 29, pass to number 29, pass to number 2, pushing 2, and then number 2 ng Senior School.
Basket para kay Wang.
32
Basket by Wang. Good. Number 29, basket.
Number 29, 2 points. It's a foul. Foul number 29, 92. 2 throw. Awarded to number 20 of Senior School. First throw. No good. Last throw. And then is the one. Remaining time 42 seconds. For the third quarter. Number 29, also number 19. Number 19.
3-point para kay
Number 4, moving the ball. Bringers by number 29. Pass to number 40. Number 40. Pass to number 18. Number 18. And then number 14 of District 2. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Pass to number 29. Number 29 again. Number. Rebound by number 23.
Ayun na, si Abdul. Ay, Abdul. Fine. Okay, end of the third quarter, official score 31-67 in favor pa rin sa Xavier School. Magbabalik tayo para sa ating last and final quarter. 67-31 in favor of the Saprissa.
Our official score 67-31. In favor of Senior School. Fourth quarter.
Shoutout po kala
Bola ng Basic 2. Number 71, pass to number 29. Number 71 again, reverse number, the ball by number 13.
Yeng. Pass to Titus. Go. Tansipik, up and under, nakalusot. Sorry, let's go.
Number 10.
Hand up. Pass to number 29. No good. Filia. Oh, still. Pedragosa, Jaden. Nakalusot. By jersey number 71, Jaden Pedragosa. Try to stop. No good. Go. And there's a foul.
Number 11, number 62. Number 3 on Senior School. First row, Nabu. Last row. Yes, substitution, Mr. Referee. Substitution. Number 29 out, number 17. Basic 2. Inbound by number 11, that's the number 71. Number 71 is slowly flipping the ball. Pass to number 29. Pass to number 19. 3 points. No good. Inbound by number 2. From Senior School. Nakuha ng number 11, ng Basic 2, number 29. Pass to number 19. 3 points, no good.
Out of bounds.
Senior School. Inbound by number 10, pass to number 2. Being rushed by number 29. Pass to number 14. But it's a traveling violation.
Traveling violation.
By number 13. Yellow ball, number 71 dribbling the ball. Being rushed by number 7. Pass to number 19, back to number 29. Number 71, 3 balls, no good. That's outside. Number 18 of Savior, pass to number 2. Number 2, slowly dribbling the ball, pass to number 18. Nasa sa ilalim, number 1, missing to number 7. Number 92, dribbling the ball, pass to number 19. Number 19, 3 points. No good. The ball by number 18 of Senior School. Pass to number 10. Number 10, pass to number 2. Yeah.
Jayco, no good. Hold up. Renato against 1. Narzoles, wala. Rebound by Villa. Pass to Jayco. Yeng.
Number 2, pass to number 77.
Titus, jump shot, wala.
Rebound by that, there's a missile. Substitution, Mr. Referee. Number 1 and number 29 out, number 12 and number 15. Yellow ball.
Pasen.
Number 71. Number 19.
Basket by
Number
19, Narzoles.
Number 7, Kevin Hall, being announced by number 71, Number 10, Sam Nagud, number 13, Tinorio Sam Nagud, number 10, Sam Nagud, number 3, Sam Nagud. By the reserves, live violation. Number 71, Yellowstone, Billy Glow. Number 19, reverse, yes. Yes, for 3. Number 10 to number 77. Number 77, pass to number 13. Number 13, number 11, district 2. Number 11, pass to number 71. Again, number, developed by number 10. Pass to number 30. Number 30.
Side step by Riley, di paano?
Number 19 to number 71. Pass to number 19, district 2. 3 boys, no good. Rebound by number 11. Attempt, no good. Number 11, district 2, number 12. Pass to number 71, 3 points, no good.
Ay,
Number
thank you.
Number 77 of Xavier School. Letting the ball. Pinasa number 30. Attempt, no good. Number 3, no good.
Titus, wala pa rin.
Rebound by number 13. Pass to number 13.
Ano?
Pinasa namin number 10.
Para kay Go. Time out.
Time out for District 2. Our official score, 74-38 in favor of Xavier School. Remaining time 4 minutes and 3 seconds. Remaining time 4 minutes and 3 seconds for the last quarter. Timing for the timeout. Yes, ball. And number 30 to number 229. Pass to number 92. Number 92 pass to number 13. Again, number 2. Rebound by District 2. Number 2 pass to number 92 is a drawing. Violation by number 92.
Final jump shot.
Number 39, this is the big ball. Pass to number 92. Pass to number 2. Back to number 92. Back to whistle. Is a traveling violation. Substitution, Mr. Robin. Substitution. Number 31, Number 92, There's a whistle. Outside. Last touch by Blue. Number 29 B-Boys. Number rebound by number 13. Number 19. Pass to number 23. Pinasa to number 14. Pass to number 18.
Villa! Basket para kay Villa.
Number 13 on this 2. Slowly hitting the ball. Pass to number 29. 29 pass to number 29. Hitting the ball. It's a totally violation. Dribble muna. Number 54. Pass to number 18. Number 18 is slowly dribbling the ball. Pass to number 13. B-Boys. Rebound by number 14. On this 2. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Here's the 2. Number 29 of this 2. 2 free throw. First throw. Yes, for one. Last throw. Jumpers ready. Last throw. Pass to number 13. Pass to number 29. Number 29. Open pass. Last touch by number 29. Savior's ball. Number 34. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Pass to number 23. Number 23. Again. No good. The ball by. And there's a whistle. Yellow's ball. So now, number 40. Foul by number 40 on Savior's School.
Time remaining, last 45 seconds left. Bola na ang
Ito by number
kabayanan.
14. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 29. Number 29. Yes, for 2. Number 34 of Savior's School. Pass to number 13. Pass to number 34. Pass to number 33. Pinasa to number 18. Number 8. Number 34. Counter foul number 2. Number 34. Bonus throw.
It's free throw para you. Good. Hey, kuha.
Rebound by District 2, number 29 to number 29 on there. Here's for 2. Number 34.
9 seconds left.
Number 13. Number 34.
Alright, end of the game. What a nice game from both teams. And congratulations to our Savior's School and nice game para sa Kabayanan Integrated School. Our final score, 47-81. Muli, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng ating live. Especially kala Sir Jasper Yeng and the rest of the Savior's School. Maraming salamat po. Hanggang sa muli, and God bless everyone. Keep safe.